So, hi everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I am very, very glad to be here. Thank you, Dr. Park, for the kind invitation and for the important collaboration between the Salomon R. Guggenheim Museum and the 15th Gwangju Biennial. I want to thank the biennial team, first and foremost to my colleague, Gwangju, for her incredible work. Thanks to Jia, Kiboom, Jai-hee, and for all the hard work and warm hospitality. This could not have happened without your support. So I want to thank all the wonderful participants first. First and foremost, as well, members of the LG Guggenheim Academic Advisory Board, Dr. Lois Trudisuke and Yusi Parika, for being such an inspiring thought partners. Your long-term work in the field has set the stage for such discussions. Dr. Libby Heaney, for her thought-provoking work in quantum art. Max Fritz, who leads a fascinating and important research on advanced sound technologies and colonization. And the brilliant Caroline Christoph, who will comment on this day. I also want to thank the biennial curatorial team, my colleague and longtime collaborator, Nicolas Bourriot, Sophia Park for her rigorous work, and Jade and Una for their great contributions. And most importantly, I want to thank all the amazing artists who are here with us today. Your work inspires us all, and it is what makes us see those technologies in more clarity, in perspective, and criticality. With the development of such obscure machines, artistic work becomes a strategy to both cohere and challenge technologies. Your work, important as ever, is the reason we do what we do. So thank you. The symposium today deals with sound, yet it is not about sound art or its histories. It is about the intersection of sound and technology, namely advanced technologies, where sound is no longer mere acoustic matter, and not only a digital recording. The shift from recording technologies to recursive technologies is an epistemic shift, both in matter and in meaning, in content and intent. We ask today, what happens to sound in AI models when they become data points? What are the essential traits that persist in recursivity when sound is no longer acoustic but digital and probabilistic? The sessions will look into various impacts of generative technologies on sound production and image making, how they alter our understanding of space and environment, as sound, under gravity laws, is bound and dependent on space. These technologies often constitute a new spatiality that sometimes is not fully aligned with our physical spaces. We gain access to other species' syntax, yet we still lag behind in understanding those languages. Those technologies expand the gap between form and content and between input and output, and this gap is what we want to explore today. The conference will look into AI technologies by different aspects, such as data sets, mapping and environmental construction, temporality, and more. It will include 2 hunting performances. One is Miu by biennial artist and composer Marina Rosenfeld with Lois Trudisuke, utilizing a transacoustic piano, an instrument of reverse sound engineering where digital input is what creates the acoustic reaction. It extends the sound from Marina's biennial work into this register, and I highly recommend everyone not to miss this work. The second performance is by Byung-Jun Kwon, a musician and composer, present a DIY robot, whom, by using AI, retells the historical narration of traditional Korean music. To finalize and to start, I'd mention that all of those understanding about sound exist in classical computing, which is AI, and under gravity laws, which is our familiar Newtonian reality. Yet, this is not always how sound operates and unfolds. So to put all of this in perspective, we start with a lecture about quantum mechanics, where Newtonian laws are irrelevant. As humanity is getting closer and closer to quantum computing, it seems like a great start to put things in perspectives, both technologically and sonically. So this is not going to be an easy material to grasp, yet I want to reassure you that the first lecture will be the hardest to sparse through, because quantum realities are so different from our known and familiar physical reality. Without further ado, I'd like to invite artist and Doctor of Quantum Physics, Libby Heaney, to start the day with her lecture.